As a digital marketer who is into blogging, podcasting, and YouTube, there are a ton of files that I generate every week. And one of the biggest problems that I was facing was with storage. I initially started with storing all of that on my computer, but then my computer's hard disk started getting full. So I had to buy external storage devices. So I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, and I bought about 5 different hard drives on which I was storing all of these files, the video files, the podcast audio files, and all of the articles that I was writing or I was generating. Now, it becomes extremely difficult for you to manage these multiple hard drives, and it can be extremely taxing if you want to go and look for information or files when you actually need them. That is where this big savior came in, and that is Western Digital's 12 terabyte hard drive. Now, this is an extremely important piece of equipment if you're into any form of content creation. It can be blogging, or like for example, if you're a food blogger who generates a lot of photographs of your food, or if you're into podcasting where you are releasing episodes every week, or if you're into YouTube where you're releasing a lot of videos, at least one video every week. Now, these files can quickly add up, can take up a lot of space, but this storage device is one amazing piece of equipment that can take care of all of this. This is a 12 terabyte hard drive. Western Digital has multiple options for this hard drive. You'll be able to find one with 14 terabytes, 6 terabytes, 10 terabytes. So depending upon your requirement, you can go with whatever it is that you need. Now, for somebody who doesn't want to set up an NAS at home, or who doesn't want to go through that process of setting up an NAS, this is a savior. This is a time saver. This is one thing that you should have in your arsenal. So we'll do a quick unboxing and I'll show you what is included in this, and then I'll tell you a little bit about the features of this hard drive. So quickly, let's do an unboxing first, and then we'll look at what this hard drive has to offer us.
So this is the 12 terabyte Western Digital MyBook hard disk. You can see it comes with a 3-year warranty and a backup software, and there are some features of the product written on the box. Inside the box you will find the hard disk itself and some of the accessories. What it comes with primarily is a USB cable, a power adapter, and some booklets that will show you how to go about getting started with using the hard disk. The power adapter comes with 2 different plugs. Depending upon which region you're using the hard disk in, you'll be able to use these 2 plugs. It comes with these 2 different kind of plugs. So you can use the one that suits your kind of plug in your country, and it comes with an adapter because this hard disk needs external power. It cannot be powered using your laptop or your computer. It will need external power, and it comes with a USB cable that you can use to connect to your computer or to your laptop. The USB is a USB 3.0 cable, which is also compatible with USB 2.0. And talking about the hard disk itself, it has a very sleek form factor. It's very handy. I keep it on my workstation itself, and the size of the hard disk is pretty handy. You can see here. Now the USB port and the charging port both are available towards the back side of the hard disk, and there is a lock as well, and the front side is clean. There is nothing on the front side. It has ventilator openings on the top and the bottom for cooling.
So I hope you found this video useful. If you are looking for an external storage where you can store all of these files, and this is a must-have, go ahead and check it out. You will be able to find the link in the description box below. Go ahead, check it out. This is going to be a huge savior for you if you are into any form of content creation. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you stay updated with all of the tips and tricks that I share about content creation, podcasting, and starting and running a side hustle. And if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment box below. I'll respond to all of that, and I'll be back again the next week with another interesting piece of information. Until then, keep watching. This is goodbye from Dilip.